In this video, we'll be showing you how you can add a fundraiser or sponsored event to your website. First, log in as an administrator. The only way to add a fundraiser or sponsored event is by using the event template. To do this, from the main navigation, select Admin, Events, and then select Add Event from Template from the Manage menu. Then select Fundraiser or Sponsored Event on Platform from the drop-down list. The event template wizard will then guide you through 4 simple steps to set up your event. The first step is the basic event information. Here, key details such as the event name, dates, times and fee types are pre-populated for you, but can be edited as necessary. Once you are happy, click on the Save and Continue button. Please note this information can be edited later. The second step is donation amounts. Again, suggested amounts will be presented here, but you can edit to suit your requirements. An optional amount box will also be created. You can include donation text to inform your community what this amount will help contribute towards. For example, £10 will enable us to purchase 5 library books. This text will then be displayed to your community on the donation form. You don't need to enter the amount first in the text box, as this will be done automatically. Then click the Save and Continue button. The third step is fundraising information. Here you can enter the goal amount you would like to achieve and a description of the event. You can check the checkboxes if you would like to allow individuals to register and have a unique fundraising link and QR code to share with their family and friends. The amount raised will then be attributed to that individual child. You can also check the checkbox if you would like to disable donations once your fundraising goal has been achieved. And you can also check the checkbox which will allow leaderboards to be shown on the fundraising or sponsored event page. Then click on the Save and Continue button. The last step is to enter how many volunteers you require to run the event. Then click the Create Template Event button. If you would like to make any changes or upload an event image, either click on the name of the event or select Edit from the Manage menu. Sales start and end dates and purge data dates have been automatically created but can be amended here if necessary. This is also where you can amend your fundraising goal and check or uncheck the Disable Donations Once Goal Achieved and Show Leaderboards checkboxes. An image for your event can also be uploaded from your local device here should you wish. Then click the Update Event button. The fundraising or sponsored event details will then be visible in your home and event pages, and a link to this page plus the fundraiser registration, if this option has been selected, will be shown in your shop page. When your customer clicks the Donate Now button, they will be shown the options to make a one-off or recurring donation, and they will see any donation text entered during setup. Please note that if a recurring donation product is in the basket, then all other products will show as unavailable with a message when you hover over the button. This is due to a limitation of Stripe's checkout process. If your organisation is a registered charity and your charity commission number is added in your site settings, then customers will be prompted to complete gift aid during checkout. Product questions will automatically be created to allow your recurring and one-off donation customers to leave a message about their donation, show or hide their name, and show or hide their donation amount during the checkout process. They then need to agree to the recurring donation terms. The amount donated will automatically be shown on your fundraiser total. Recurring donations will be added automatically. Supporter and donation information will be shown on the events page. If you have opted to show leaderboards, then these will be visible in the events page, and by clicking on the leaderboard you will be able to view the top fundraisers in that class or group. And that's it, you can now add a fundraiser or a sponsored event to your website. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.